In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import and edit custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. To begin, open your browser and log into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you are signing in to the account where you want to store and use the custom email template. If you are already logged in, you can simply start from the main Mailchimp dashboard. This first step is important because templates are saved inside your Mailchimp account, and you will need access to the correct workspace before you import anything. Once you are on the Mailchimp dashboard, take a moment to look at the navigation menu. You are going to move into the area where Mailchimp stores reusable design assets for email campaigns. From the main menu, navigate to Content and then go to Email Templates. This is the section where you can view existing templates, manage saved designs, and create new templates that can be reused later when building campaigns. After you arrive on the Email Templates page, look for the option to create a new template. Click Create Template. This tells Mailchimp that you want to add a new design to your template library. Since you are working with a custom HTML file or custom HTML code, you will not be choosing one of the standard drag-and-drop layouts. Instead, you will be using Mailchimp's option for code-based templates. On the template creation screen, you should see different ways to build a template. Select the Code Your Own tab. This tab is designed for users who already have custom HTML prepared and want to bring that code into Mailchimp. It is useful when you have a template created by a designer, exported from another tool, or written manually. Choosing this option gives you more control over the email structure than a standard pre-built layout. Now that you are in the code-based template area, click Import HTML. This option allows you to bring your custom HTML into Mailchimp instead of starting with a blank code editor. It is the right choice when you already have a complete HTML email template ready to upload or paste. Mailchimp will use the HTML you provide as the foundation for the saved template. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to name your template. Enter a clear template name that will be easy to recognize later. You do not need to include any private information in the name. A simple descriptive name is best, especially if you plan to create several templates over time. After naming the template, click Continue. This moves you forward to the area where you can add the actual HTML content. At this point, you will choose how to add your custom HTML. You can upload your HTML file, or you can paste your code directly into the editor. If your template is saved as an HTML file on your computer, use the Upload option and select that file. If you have the code copied from another source, paste it into the editor instead. Take a moment to make sure the HTML you are adding is the correct version of the template you want to use. After the HTML has been uploaded or pasted into the editor, review what is on the screen. This is where you can confirm that the custom template has been added to Mailchimp. Since this process is focused on importing and preparing the template, the main thing to check is that your content is present and that you are working with the correct template before saving. When everything looks ready, click Save and Exit. This will save the custom HTML email template inside your Mailchimp template library. After saving, you can return to the Email Templates area and find the template there whenever you need to use it for a campaign. Saving the template also makes it easier to reuse the same design in the future without importing the HTML again. And that is all there is to it. You have logged into Mailchimp, opened the Email Templates section, created a new code-based template, imported your custom HTML, and saved it for future use.